everyone. What I'm opening up here is just a generic Arca Swiss plate which I got online. I'm just going to open it, it may interest some people. These plates do have differences and do change. This is a 20 centimeter one, 200 millimeter. I've got this because I used to use them for large lenses, but I haven't got this one for that. I actually want for this one I want to be able to actually mount some phone holders and some other small cameras on it, and then put a handle on the bottom. So that's why I was interested in. Okay, it looks like, yeah, okay. Be a little hard to see, but here we've got a 3/8 hole. So with that I'll be able to put an adapter to go down to quarter or put it on a ball head or something. But what I'm thinking is I'm going to use this with a small small handle underneath like this. So I'll mount the cameras on the top here, and maybe one landscape, one portrait, and maybe a third one in the middle. But I'll have a handle to carry it, and they should be far enough apart if they're phones, or depends on which camera I put on here. So I should get two, and yeah, with that 3/8 hole I'll be able to put an adapter and get a quarter mount, so I can pretty much mount it to anything. It's threaded here. I don't know why they've threaded it there. Maybe just so you can put extra. You can probably take these screws out and put them at the end. That's probably what it's for, which is what I'll end up doing, because I'll have one on each side. But yeah, I thought it might be interesting just to show this little plate. I will put a link in the description to where you can get it on Amazon. It wasn't hugely expensive. Like a lot of these are very expensive, and a lot of them don't have any mount, or they don't have as many options as what this has got. But anyway, yeah, there's not much else to say about this. If there's something negative or whatever I find, I'll let you know. But yeah, it may just give someone an idea, and you know what you're buying if you buy this. So thanks. See you next time.